Day 2, and I decide to return to the same little creek to see some different water. Though it was the same creek, the weather conditions had changed dramatically from the day before. As I was driving in, a major storm system had settled on the area. This had me questioning a variety of things such as water clarity, lack of sunlight, and what thunder and lightning might do to the fish, or even if I could fish at all. Arriving at the parking lot, I got rigged up and started my hike in. Then Mother Nature really let me have it.
As you can see, Mother Nature has thrown us a curveball. A cold front has moved in and the pressure has dropped. Welcome to the mountains. What does that do to feeding fish?
A sudden drop in barometric pressure tends to have a negative effect on the metabolism of these fish. As the pressure drops, a physical reaction takes place where their swim bladder will expand to help keep them equalized to the pressure changes. Conversely, as the pressure rises, the swim bladder will shrink to accommodate. Either pressure change can be uncomfortable for the fish and turns them negative, meaning they may stop eating. This negativity can last a few days as well if pressures don't stabilize. That may have been the case for me, however. Something else is going on here. The changes in temperature seem to be enticing a foul weather insect hatch of some kind. I can't see what these fish are eating, but they have forgotten about their pressure issues and are going crazy.
So regardless of your situation, I know one thing for sure. You have 0% chance of catching fish if you don't have flies in the water. So I'm gonna start at the head of this pool. There's a run that comes in between these two rocks. I figured that the dominant fish, the big fish, are gonna be there to intercept the food that's coming down first, probably with the smaller fish towards the end of the pool. So let's see what we can do. Fish, took the dry. Nice, so I put on a water walker and a little mayfly. And first drift through, this cutthroat came up and ate it. So you want to answer the question as to what this pressure does for these cutthroat? It definitely turns them on. There's tons of fish surfacing in this pool right now. Keep him out of there, not to spook the others. In the net. There he is. Beautiful little cutthroat. Look at that gash. Just amazing. So in bad weather, don't give up. Keep at it. There he goes. Got him. Oh, and it's a good one too. Oh, great fish. Again on that little mayfly. Get out of there. Keep him out of the wood. So one fish came up and looked at the hopper, and another one came and ate the dry. Oh, this is so good. So you want to answer the question about what happens when fish and the weather do not cooperate? What an absolute stud cutthroat.